Good morning, students. Now we are going to solve some remaining questions of exercise 7.1, and this is question number 8. Find the values of y for which the distance between the points P and Q is 10 units. It is the inverse of question number 1. In question number 1, we had given the points and we just solved out the distance between the 2 points. Now here the distance is given, but one of the point is missing here. So what you to find the missing point, and we have to apply the distance formula. So let's start exercise 7.1, question number 8. We have to find the value of y when the distance between the 2 points distance between 2 points P 2 minus 3 and Q 10y, and the distance between these 2 points is given as what? 10. As I told you in my previous topic that to avoid the square root, what we will do, we will square it. So we will square it both sides. So it will be PQ square is equal to 100. So we do not have to put the square root now, and simply we will apply distance formula between P and Q. So x1 y1 x2 y2. So it is 2 minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square is equal to 100. Okay, even you can write 10 minus 2 and y minus 3 also, doesn't matter. Now 2 minus 10 is what? It is minus 8 whole square plus, if I will take minus common here, okay, what will become? It is 3 plus y whole square is equal to 100. So minus 8 will be 64 plus this will become y plus 3 whole square is equal to 100, or it also can be written as y square plus 6y plus 9 plus 64 is equal to 100. Let's make it quadratic equation. Y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 is equal to 0, or it is y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 100. Now this is the second degree quadratic equation. We have solved in chapter number 2 also. Find out the two factors of minus 27. It is 9 3s are. So plus 9 minus 3. So our factor will be y plus 9 and y minus 3. That is equal to 0. Therefore, we will get the two values of y. The first one is y plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 9, or y minus 3 is equal to 0. So it is y is equal to 3. So this is our final answer. Okay, the point is minus 9 and 3. Clear? So see how the question gets reversed. Okay, and we will find the value. Especially we should remember the identity of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So let's move down to the another important question. Now it is given as if Q is equidistance. Once again we got the equidistance. In my last topic I explained you what is the meaning of equidistance from P and R. So to find the value of x as well as we to find the distance of QR and PR. Equidistance, the 2 points P and R are equidistance from Q. So let me explain you the meaning of equidistance now. Once again, question number 9. Q is the point. The coordinates of Q is what? 0 1. It is equidistance from P. Okay, it is 5 minus 3, and also from R it is x6. So we have to find the value of x now. Right here R. We have to find the value of x as well as we have to find out the QR and we have to find out the PR. So if it is equidistance, so we can write that QP is equal to QR. Okay, or it can be written as QP square is equal to QR square. Let's find out QP square first. qp square is given as qp square. I will write here 0 minus 5 whole square, 0 minus 5, and plus 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is there, so 1 minus from the formula and this minus 3. So it is minus 5 whole square, and this one will be 1 plus 3 whole square. So it is 25 plus 1 plus 3, 4 square is 16. So it is 41. Now we got the value of qp square as 41. Now let's find out qr square. Let's find here only. qr square is equal to, it is 0 minus x whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. Distance formula and nothing. So it is x square plus minus 5 whole square. So x square plus 25. Now we got qp square and qr square. qp and qr. So let's equate them. Write down, since qp square is equal to qr square. So what is the value of qp square and qr square here? 41 and x square plus 25. So 41 is equal to x square plus 25, or it can be written as x square is equal to 41 minus 25. So x square is equal to 16. So x is equal to plus minus 4. Now here we will take plus 4 only. I am giving you minus 4 in assignment. So at least I got the value of x. Now I have to find qr. Can you see qr here? qr. So for qr, the coordinates of q will be 0, 1, and I am taking r as 4, 6. Okay, so what is qr square here? It is 0 minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. 0 minus 4 whole square and 1 minus 6 whole square. So it is 4 square plus minus 5 square, 16 plus 25. Okay, it is what? 16 plus 25. So it is 41. Therefore qr is what? Under root 41. Similarly, we will find what? pr. For pr, can you see here pr? This is the pr. The points are now, for the p it is 5 minus 3, and r is, once again I am taking what? 4, 6. You can take minus 4 and 6 also, take it as an assignment. So this will be now pr square is equal to 5 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square. It is 1 and minus 9. So it is 1 plus 81. It is something 82, or it can be written as pr is equal to under root 82. So this is our answer. Now for minus 4 I am giving you assignment. Okay, you put here minus 4 and find out pr also. Okay, so this is what? Question number 9. We are using the same formula, that is the distance formula, and using same method we are finding the different values. One more last question of this segment, question number 10. It is given as you have to find the relation between x and y such that xy is equidistant from the point 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Once again equidistance formula, that is, let p xy be the point equidistance from, take a as 3, 6 and b as minus 3, 4. So if it is equidistant, so again I will write like this: p xy, here it is a and here it is b. It is 3, 6 and it is minus 3, 4. So what I will do now, I will write simply pa is equal to pb, or pa square is equal to pb square. So let's find out pa square. It is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. When you expand this, you will get x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 12y plus 36, or it can be written as x square minus 6x plus y square minus 12y plus 45. Similarly, we are going to find PB square. So PB square will be this. It is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. So it is x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. So x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16. It can be written as x square plus 6x minus 8y plus y square plus 25. Now compare, it is PA square is equal to PB square. So what is PA square actually? It is x square minus 6x plus y square minus 12y plus 45 is equal to PB square minus 8y plus y square plus 25. Cancel x square and y square. So it is now minus 6x minus 6x. Transfer this side and minus 12y plus 8y plus 45 minus 25 is equal to 0. So minus 12x minus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. I am taking common minus 4. So it is 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 4 will go this side and will become 0. Therefore 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is what our relation. Okay, you can see the calculation once again. What we done? Equidistance method and completed the solution. So next segment I will start internal division of line segment.